When you update to iOS 26, Apple quietly turns on a whole list of settings that are secretly draining your battery, killing your data, and bombarding you with noise. I'm Protech Genius, and I've got 7 essential settings you need to flip off right now for a better, more private iPhone experience. Settings 1. Analytics and improvements. Let's start with data sharing. Step 1. Go to Settings, scroll to Privacy and Security, scroll down to the bottom and tap Analytics and Improvements. Just make sure your Share iPhone Analytics is completely turned off. This stops your phone from constantly gathering and sending usage data back to Apple, saving battery and data. Just make sure to turn off everything. Share iPhone Analytics, share iCloud Analytics, improve Siri and dictation, improve assistive voice features. Settings 2. Significant locations. Your phone is recording everywhere you go. Step 1. In Privacy and Security, tap Location Services. Scroll way down to System Services. Scroll down to Significant Locations and Routes. Use Face ID to open it, turn off significant locations and hit Clear History at the bottom. This prevents your phone from logging your behavioral data. Settings 3. In-app ratings and reviews. Tired of apps asking for a review right when you open them? Step 1. Go to Settings. Go to Apps and then App Store. Simply toggle in-app ratings and reviews to off. Enjoy instant peace and quiet. Settings 4. Automatic downloads. These settings can silently eat your data and storage. In the same App Store settings, turn off both apps and app updates. Now you control when apps download, which saves bandwidth and prevents unwanted storage drain. Speaking of draining your phone, if you want to fix your storage and battery problems caused by background settings, I've already done the hard work for you. Just go take a look at my videos, iOS 26, battery drain, and then iOS storage full, 7 shocking tricks for you. You can just click on the links below in the description and the first comment and then go take a look at these videos. Settings 5. Personalized ads. This is how Apple uses the data it collects. Go back to Settings, Privacy and Security, scroll down and tap Apple Advertising. Turn off personalized ads if you have it on. You'll still see ads, but they won't be tailored specifically to your history. Settings 6. Attention Aware features. Attention Aware uses Face ID camera to check if you're looking at your phone. While neat, it uses your battery power constantly. Go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode. Scroll down and turn off Attention Aware features. Setting 7. Hey Siri. Letting your phone constantly listen for Hey Siri is a huge battery hog. Go to Settings, Siri and Search. This can also be written as Apple Intelligence and Siri. Go here, just make sure to turn off Apple Intelligence. You'll get a pop-up like this. Apple Intelligent features like writing tools will not be available if you continue. Siri will also stop using the additional capabilities provided by Apple Intelligence. But it's okay, just turn it off. Now go click on Talk to Siri and then just make sure to turn it off. Just make sure to turn this off also. The biggest threat to privacy is actually your browser. For the ultimate lockdown, you must fix your web settings. Go watch my video, Your iPhone is Exposing You. Fix these hidden Safari settings now. It's the final piece of your privacy puzzle. You successfully deactivated the most annoying and privacy draining settings in iOS 26. Enjoy a faster, quieter and more private iPhone. Hit that like button and subscribe to Protech Genius and let me know in the comments which setting you turned off first.